What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what we're going to be getting into, man, is, well, I got a nice pair of sneakers in yesterday. I got to grab them right here. What we got is the Galaxy Foamposites, which recently dropped, and shout out Sneakers for the quick shipping. And what we're going to be getting into as well, just a quick unboxing, showing y'all what we got with this sneaker, the box, the actual pair, and yeah, just what they look like. And of course we can get into maybe the resale prices a bit. I might dive into that. We'll do some B-roll shots for them as well, so we can get a bit of a better look without me talking over it, you know what I mean? But let's get into it. If you guys want more sneaker content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, just let them know y'all want more unboxings like this, and you can check me out. My Instagram's down below. Buying, selling, trading. I always say that, but feel free to check it out. You know, we got tons of stuff: wallets, belts, hoodies, shorts. Recent sneaker drops, let me know. We probably got it. And also resale vision down below. We're giving away a pair of metallic 5s right now. So if you want a chance to win a free pair of metallic 5s, get in there down below. I wish I hit that Jetty Sports restock this morning, but my bank just ended up giving me issues and locking my card. So thanks. That happens sometimes. But yeah, aside from that, I hope y'all will enjoy. That's all in the pinned comment down below. Don't miss what we provide every single day down there below. The early info, stock numbers, under market kicks. That's us at Resale Vision. And yeah, just my IGs. We posting stuff for sale. But that's it. Let's get into reviewing the Galaxy foam. So first things first, is y'all can see the box that we got right here. Just that Nike logo, and again, that kind of Galaxy style font. So y'all can see that throughout the box right there. And then of course, heading to the front of the sneaker right here, here is the size tag. There y'all can see that a little bit better. Side of the sneaker right there. So that's the look that we got on these right now, as y'all can see. Pretty good. So that's the box, right? Nothing too crazy right there. But when we open these up, you can see we got kind of this, I want to show y'all this because it's actually pretty cool. You can see Nike's putting in the extra effort on these kicks. But you can see we got the Galaxy wrapping paper. Hopefully that's visible here. I'll go right here, and it'll be definitely visible, but y'all can see that right there. So we got the Galaxy wrapping paper. Pop that open. Right, pretty cool. And then we get into the actual shoe. There we go. We're going to move my camera back to the proper spot. But what we got right here is the Nike Galaxy Foamposites, the 2025 version. So you guys can see, first things first, I'll grab the other pair because this one has the flight tag on it, as y'all can see. So we'll talk about that one in a second. Let me set that right there. So this is actually just my personal size 9. Super happy to hit my personal size because I love these. Again, I was telling y'all, I was thinking about towing these. I was like, you know, if they're clean enough in hand, I'll probably do it, and they're definitely clean enough in hand. So this might be my next personal pair. We're going to have to see, but very happy to have them right here. So you guys can see, again, that Galaxy theme colorway, which is going all around the sneaker. So all around design, so just keep that in mind. I totally understand why these were so hyped back in the day, man. When these originally dropped, I was like 10 years old. If I had seen these when I was like 10, 11 years old, I would have been asking my parents for them every single day. But luckily, luckily I was just focused on like customizing Reeboks and Nikes when I was like 11 to 12 years old. You know what I mean? Like I had some like customized Reeboks. So I can't even remember what they used to call those back in the day. But yeah, I used to have those. If any of y'all remember that Reebok customization when that was going crazy, I was all over that. So yeah, so for me, these would have been an absolute cop back in the day, but your boy was 10 years old, so please give me a break to any of my OGs in the comments. I keep seeing y'all be on me like, yeah, you wasn't there back in the day. Yeah, I wasn't, bro. I was not. All right, chill out. So let's just, all right. See, I get into random rants here. No disrespect to anybody, but aside from that, y'all can see what we got back here by the heel, right? So this is, we see this on pretty much every single Foamposite. So classic little logo right there. And of course designed by the heel. And again, another part of a sneaker that you're just going to win me over every single time. Icy soles, translucent soles. Every single time going to win me over. So you guys can see we got kind of that icy sole theme going around the sole almost. So you can see it's more present here by the heel, but you can see it's almost going around the actual tread on the sneaker. So I like that. I thought that was really cool. But for me, I mean, yeah, icy soles, anything like this, you're going to win me over. Especially when it just looks like this on the outside of the sneaker. Yeah, you got me. So for me, yeah, I like it. You can also see the plate that we got right there, which is going throughout the bottom of the sneaker. Hopefully, yeah, that's focusing right there so y'all can see that. So there you go for some stability on the sneaker. Obviously, you already have a ton of padding on the shoe, and actually you can tell another reason that I'm actually noticing why the Foamposite hype is, you know, why people like foam so much and why some people specifically only collect foams or mostly have foams in their collection is because they kind of mold to your foot. You can feel it here with the tongue tag, right? It's kind of softer. It's not like a hard tongue tag, kind of like some of these SB or Jordan 4 tongue tags that you'll get where they're kind of more stiff, right? And they don't really bend as much. This one, I mean, you could already tell it's kind of bent. Let me see if this, I don't know if that focuses for me. You can kind of tell it's like bent a little bit here. So like it's already, you see what I mean? Like look, I can just kind of squeeze the tongue tag like that. So it molds to your foot almost more is what I'm trying to say. Like you can really tell how comfortable these would be when you put them on foot because, well, they're going to mold to your foot. They're going to fit however big your foot or however narrow your foot is. It's just going to squeeze and fit perfectly to that. So yeah, weird way to describe it, but that's what we got going on right there with the Galaxy foams and how they fit, in my personal opinion, at least, based off past foams that I've had, right? I haven't had many before, but, you know, past ones I've at least tried on. So that's why I can understand. Let me not drop these. I'm setting them down on unstable surfaces. But, yeah, aside from that, here's the pair with the flight tags. Y'all can see that right there. Of course, that says take off before flight, if I read that correctly. Or no, sorry, I read that incorrectly. Remove before flight. My bad. So y'all can see that's the tag right there. And, of course, the little logo we got right there. This logo right here is the same logo that we have on the insoles. Right, so if you just want to take a little look at that, my hand, I don't think my hand's going to stop shaking, but yeah, that's the logo that we also have on the insole of the sneaker. So there's that. And of course, the Nike swoosh by the top of the toe box. That's right there as well. And you can see that Galaxy colorway going hard. Still focusing on my face somehow, but yeah, there you go. So y'all can see that. It's extremely clean in hand. This is one of the main things I want to say. This sneaker is very, very well done, as you can see that. It's just like a stock image, you can tell, but very, very nicely done. I still really like this shoe. And it's just something unique, you know what I mean? Like, we don't get this on sneakers that often. And I don't know why. I get a nostalgic feel with the sneaker, even though I wasn't there for the original drop. Just for some reason, this style of colorway gives me kind of like a, like, I don't know, just kind of like a throwback almost. I feel like we used to see more kind of neon, galaxy themed, space themed designs back in like 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. We were just seeing a lot of, you know, stuff with that general style of colorway. Especially, I'm trying to think, I think we saw a lot of kind of like Bape stuff with kind of like that space design. I could be wrong. I could just be, you know, thinking of stuff from my childhood, but I like these. Very, very well done. Again, if I'd seen these when I was like 10 years old, I'd have been all over my parents for them, but thank God I didn't see them when I was that old, because the prices they were going for back then were nuts. People were trading cars for these. Like crazy. But yeah, very, very nice sneaker. I'm glad to have the new retro, and I totally understand why they went up in price, man. I mean, this is a sick sneaker, and if you had them back in the day, yeah, I would want them again now. I'm just waiting for, again, I mean, in the future, I definitely know, you know, once I'm older, there's going to be some shoes like this where they're going to drop them again after they haven't done them in like 10, 15 years, and I'm going to be like, man, I'm paying whatever, you know what I mean, just to get them again, because my other ones are going to be like super beat, basically unwearable. So yeah, that's what we got with the Galaxy foam. So let's do some B-roll shots for these. I wanted to show y'all some better shots of these without me talking over it, and you know, just honestly just a closer up look at them, you know, with my camera, just showing y'all what these look like when we got some proper lighting on them. But you can see how clean these are just from, I mean, even looking right here. But let's do that.
Sticks made a fucking hit.
Anyways, guys, that's pretty much everything I have to say about the Galaxy Foamposites, man. Let me know if you guys got lucky on the sneakers release recently. Super happy that I hit on this pair. I didn't expect to, because I just want to explain. I had a very good week on sneakers. I hit these And there was another hype release that we had, but yeah, I've been doing good on sneakers. You know what I mean? Me and sneakers, we're good right now. So yeah, shout out Nike, I guess that's what I could say. And I really appreciate that. You know, I got my personal size because well, this is a clean pair. I'll probably end up towing these. So let me know what y'all end up doing with this pair. If you end up getting one, did you get your size? Did you not get your size? Are you selling, you know, another size to get your size? You know, I totally understand that. I've seen some people doing that recently, hitting me up saying, yo, I got a 13 and looking to sell it, so I can go grab my personal size. Totally understand doing that because this is a clean enough pair and definitely one that you wouldn't want to wait super long to buy. Like, this is definitely a sneaker to not wait till like Christmas time to ask for, you know what I mean? Because yeah, this is 100% that type of shoe that will be going up during the holiday season. I'm just gonna say that, or honestly, any time of the year where just sneaker seals are doing well right now. Yeah, it's gonna be going up in price. I mean, you've seen it with the Bread 85s. These, a lot of shoes recently have just been going up in price because Nike's not been making enough stock, but to be expected, you know what I mean? Especially when they put them all close together. They drop all these hype sneakers within the same month. It's like they're not going to be able to even produce enough pairs to meet the demand on all of them because they didn't even space any of it out. But I'm sure Nike knows that. So, yeah, that's everything I need to say. Again, us a resale vision down below. You guys can check us for the under-market sneakers we do every single day. And, of course, the early information we provide, stock numbers on releases. We had the stock numbers for the Galaxy foams before the drop. So, of course, that helped some of our members out with knowing which sizes to target. Because, of course, you want to target the sizes with more stock. So that's what we did. I targeted my personal because I was like, you know what? I just hit a size 10 on the recent Kobe's, the All-Star. So I was like, you know what? Let me try hitting a size 9 on these. And, well, the luck worked. It worked, thank God. So yeah, that's it. Check that all down below in the pinned comment. I know I've already said subscribe, like in this outro, so I'm done repeating myself. And again, just let me know if you guys happen to cop this pair recently. Very glad to have them. Definitely one of the more like dope pairs I have in my inventory. So I'm definitely trying to grab a couple more of these because this is 100% going to be going up in price. A lot of foams don't go up, but if any foam is going to be going up in price, these ones right here. I'll see y'all in the next video tomorrow. Let me know if you copped. Catch y'all then. Peace.